Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is justice. In this video, we will discuss about the most important questions on justice. If you are new on my channel, then hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my new videos. Let us start from the first question. In which work Aristotle explains about justice? Options are Metaphysics, Nicomachean Ethics, Politics, Poetics, and Prior Analytics. The correct option is Nicomachean Ethics. In which of his notable work Plato asked the question, what is justice? Do you know the answer? What is the correct answer? Tell. The correct answer is The Republic. The Republic is one of the most notable works of Plato. Who said that justice derives from natural law? Options are John Locke, John Stuart Mill, John Rawls, Herbert Spencer. The correct option is John Locke. Which theory said that justice is derived from the mutual agreement of everyone? Options are given here. What is the correct option? Select the correct option. The correct option is social contract. In Republic by Plato, which character argues that justice is the interest of the strong? Options are given here. You have to select the correct option. The correct option is Thrasymachus. According to whom justice is not as fundamental as we often think, rather it is derived from the more basic standard of rightness, consequentialism. Options are Plato, Karl Marx, Aristotle, John Stuart Mill. What is the correct option? The correct option is John Stuart Mill. In which book Andrew von Rees suggested that we have a moral obligation to punish greater crimes more than lesser ones? Options are given here. Can you select the correct option? The correct option is Doing Justice. Who said justice means to distribute the due share to everyone? Options are given here. Select the correct option and evaluate your knowledge. The correct option is Salmond. According to Rawls, what is the first virtue of social institutions as truth is of systems of thought? Kindness, calmness, justice, purity. What is the correct option? The correct option is justice. In the excerpt from Plato's Republic, Glaucon asserts that one way justice and injustice have been described is as right and wrong, kind and mean, beautiful and ugly, good and evil. The correct option is good and evil. Adam Smith argues that the division of labor results from. Options are given here. Select the correct option. The correct option is human differences. Which perspective holds that justice is achieved when procedures in the Constitution, the Bill of Rights, and US legal codes are properly followed? Options are distributive justice, social justice, individual justice, procedural justice. The correct option is procedural justice. Postmodern justice argues that. Options are given here. Select the correct option. Different people create their own understanding of what is real. Exacting justice on person outside the criminal justice system is described as. Options are necessary justice, utilitarian justice, vigilant justice, commutative justice. Correct option is vigilant justice. According to Aristotle's Nicomachean Ethics, justice is achieved when options are given here. Can you select the correct option? The correct option is the punishment is in proportion to the crime. Rawls believed that the only starting point to develop fair public policy would be from the options are given here. What is the correct option? The correct option is original position. The mechanical model of justice is also referred to as, what is the correct option? The correct option is assembly line justice. Who said, there are those men who say to repay evil with kindness. But I say, how then are we to repay kindness? Repay kindness with kindness, but repay evil with justice. Options are given here. What is the correct option? The correct option is Confucius. Which of the following is not the fundamental postulate of justice? Options are given here. What is the correct option? Select the correct option. Property. Which international institution works for justice? Options are given here. I think that most of you can give the correct answer. The correct option is International Court of Justice. Now the time to know about public interest litigation. Public interest litigation may be linked with. Options are given here. Select the correct option fast. The correct option is judicial activism. To give marginalized citizens access to justice. Who introduced PIL to Indian judicial system? Options are given here. Do you know the correct option? The correct option is Justice P.N. Bhagwati. Now you should also know what was the first reported case of PIL. This is very important question for exam perspective. The correct option is Husainara Khatun versus State of Bihar. If you want to continue the revision in this way, please like, share and subscribe.